In this tutorial, we will be showing you instructions on how to place your Obot tokens on a decentralized Metamask wallet, how to convert your Obot tokens from the Ethereum and BNB Smart Chain networks to the Polygon network on multichain.org, how to stake your Obot tokens on geyser.io. For your convenience, the content of the tutorial is included in timestamps in the description section. You may skip sections if already familiar with the content. This tutorial is intended for users with an above-average cryptocurrency knowledge, and please watch this tutorial only if you need to stake your Obot tokens on geyser.io. Let's begin the tutorial. Step 1. Go to metamask.io, click Download Now, and install Metamask in your web browser. As you can see, there are 4 web browser options including Chrome, Firefox, Brave, and Edge. For security reasons, we recommend that you do not install Metamask on your frequently used web browser. This time we have prepared the tutorial on the Brave browser. Step 2. After installing Metamask in your web browser, you will be automatically greeted with a Welcome to Metamask homepage. You will then have 2 options, 1. To restore the old wallet and 2. To create a new wallet. In this tutorial we will show you how to create a new wallet. After you enter your new password, Metamask will give you the secret recovery phrase with 12 unique phrases. These 12 phrases are for you only, so we recommend that you keep them in a safe place. After that, you can type the 12 phrases in order and click the Confirm button to successfully install the Metamask wallet. Step 3. Your wallet on Metamask will be automatically connected to the Ethereum network. Now let us give you instructions on how to add your Obot token to this wallet. To do this, go to coinmarketcap.com and copy the Ethereum address from the contracts section of the Obot token. Then go to your Metamask wallet, click on Import Tokens, then go to the Custom Token menu and paste the address code copied from CoinMarketCap. This will show you how many Obot tokens are in your wallet. To withdraw your Obot token from your central exchange to your Metamask wallet, go to the wallet of your current exchange, withdraw your Obot token by selecting the ERC20 network, copying and pasting the address of your Metamask wallet, and entering the number of tokens to transfer. Please note that the maximum and minimum transfer amounts and related fees vary depending on the exchange. After some time, you will see the transferred amount of Obot tokens on your Metamask wallet. Now you have successfully placed your Obot tokens in a decentralized crypto wallet from a centralized exchange. If you intend to stake your Obot tokens on geyser.io, you will have to convert your Obot tokens from the Ethereum and BNB Smart Chain networks to the Polygon network by visiting multichain.org. Please note that in order to use the multichain bridge, you will need to deposit a small amount of Ethereum tokens through the ERC20 network to your Metamask wallet, and deposit a small amount of BNB tokens through the BEP20 network to your Metamask wallet. Make sure to also deposit a small amount of Matic tokens through the Polygon network to your Metamask wallet as well to pay gas fees. Step 1. To add the Polygon network on Metamask, go to polygonscan.com and click the Add Polygon Network button. You can also go to bscscan.com and click the Add BSC Network button to add the BNB Smart Chain network to your Metamask as well. To see your Obot tokens stored on your Polygon wallet, you can go to coinmarketcap.com, copy the Polygon address from the contracts section of the Obot token. Then go to your Metamask wallet, click on Import Tokens, then go to the Custom Token menu and paste the address code copied from CoinMarketCap. When adding the Obot tokens to your BNB Smart Chain network, please do the similar. Step 2. You can go to multichain.org, press Enter app, and connect your Metamask wallet. You then have the option to convert the Obot token from the Ethereum and BNB Smart Chain networks to the Polygon network using the multichain bridge. We can now enter the number of tokens to be transferred from one network to another. Note that an acceptance fee and gas fee will be charged from your Ethereum tokens stored on your Ethereum mainnet account and BNB tokens stored on your BNB Smart Chain account. You can increase the transfer speed by clicking the Edit button on the Estimated Gas Fee menu. We recommend you use the fastest route for reliable transfers. In addition, a cross-chain fee of 0.1% of your transfer amount will be charged from the transferred Obot amount. The minimum cross-chain transfer amount is 783 Obot tokens. The average conversion time between networks will take 10 to 30 minutes. Cross-chain transfers of more than 78 million Obot tokens will take up to 12 hours. After some time, you will see the transferred amount of Obot tokens on your Metamask wallet. Now you have successfully transferred your Obot tokens from the Ethereum and BNB Smart Chain networks to your Polygon network on your Metamask wallet. In order to begin staking on Geyser.io, please note that you need to have deposited a small amount of Matic tokens through the Polygon network to your Metamask wallet. First, go to Geyser.io and press on Web App. Once done, you will be directed to the Discover menu where you can choose the Polygon network and search for Obot staking options in the search bar. Once you find the Obot staking option on the Pools section, you may press on it and connect your Metamask wallet to Geyser. After connecting your wallet, you may enter the amount of Obot tokens you wish to stake, hit Approve and start staking. In some cases, you might have to repeat Approve and stake a few more times for it to be successful. Here are some things that you should know. The reward pool will be distributed among stackers in proportion to their staked amount. This means that the more Obot tokens you stake, the bigger piece of the reward pool you will receive. Also make sure to check out the Stats menu and Activity menu for detailed information regarding the staking process. Now you have successfully staked your Obot tokens on Geyser.io from your Polygon Network Metamask wallet. You may now go to the Dashboard section to see up-to-date information regarding your active stakings. We hope this tutorial was helpful. We will keep you updated on our next videos.